What's up, all you first-gen lovers? I'm going to show you three cars. We're going to do a 69 RSSS. Got 350 in there. Got some wheels on there. Automatic. Convertible. Nice top. Nice color. Yep, it's got the reverse lights. RSSS. Got the stripe on the side. Then we got a real X77 69 Z28 over here in the blue and white. That's the color I had first. My first car was just like this, blue and white, 69. Very cool, right? Got the original everything. So got the Muncie 4-speed inside there. Got the original wheel looking. And what we got over here? We have a 68 with Z28 emblems. Let's see here. Nice wheels. What we got here? Automatic. You already know when you walk up to a 68 that has a Z28, it's not real. Nice steering wheel. Aftermarket shifter. Very cool, right? Very cool. You want to see some more cool first gens? Click the link above. Don't forget to follow. See you on the next Florida Car Show.